People have all sorts of opinions about the bullet. Some call it old, some call it loud, too heavy, too simple, too slow for today's world. But still, every head turns when one passes by. Because what it carries isn't speed, it's the soul, a feeling that will never fade away. This is Treads and Tales. Let's ride.